Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage email versus in-app alerts in Trim. Are you tired of getting flooded with both emails and app notifications from Trim? Let's simplify that. Here's how to manage your alert preferences. First, open the Trim app on your phone, and then you're going to tap the menu icon, or you could just go to Settings. Under Settings, you're going to select Notifications, and here you're going to see the option for in-app alerts and email notifications. Now you can choose to either turn off email alerts if you prefer just push notifications, or you could keep emails for important updates and disable in-app alerts if your phone is already crowded with notifications. You could also fine-tune it further. You can choose which type of alerts go where, like bill reminders to emails and spending alerts in-app only. Once you're done, just hit save and your preferences are locked in. Customizing your alerts this way makes Trim way less noisy and way more helpful. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to get only high priority alerts in Trim, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.